There we go. Got myself some M8 riv nuts, stainless steel cap heads, and then carefully cut off the rusty old stud using my trusty little die grinder. Carefully removed the flange of the old riv nuts and punched them through. Unfortunately, the downside of this is there is a riv nut in there rattling about, but I think it'll be alright, to be honest. I don't think I'll hear it. I was thinking I could shoot some expanding foam up into there, but it's not worth the hassle, I don't think. If it rattles and I can hear them, I'll do that. Just a bit of expanding foam, just a tiny dab, just to stick it somewhere or block up the cavity a little bit. It'll be alright. So, plenty of copper grease on the threads of the studs, and then what I'm going to do is just put a tiny dab of super glue on the back side of the head, just to glue it to the plastic so it can't fall out. But if I ever want to take it off again, I'll just put, snap that adhesion with a, undoing it, and then hopefully it'll come out nicely with a bit. Stainless steel, and that's zinc plated, and I will put a tiny bit of copper grease just on the threads as well.